Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So friends, it's a beautiful Saturday morning and we are going to visit Hogenakkal Falls today. It's raining a bit and it's always a fun to drive in the rain. Guys, this falls is basically in Tamil Nadu and it's almost 130 kilometers from Bangalore. If you have your own vehicle, you can easily reach here in 3 to 4 hours. Again, it depends upon which part of Bangalore you live in. Just look at this view guys, it's awesome. You will find a lot of scenic views similar to this throughout this route. So guys, if you are a nature lover and you are looking for a one-day trip somewhere around Bangalore, then this should definitely be your go-to destination.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
We have almost reached now and we just stopped here to see this amazing view.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Finally we have arrived here and this is the first look of the waterfalls. Guys, it's just amazing. It has a good amount of water and the flow is tremendous.
Finding life along the way.
Guys, after viewing the waterfalls, you can also go for a boat riding. So basically the boats which are provided here are kind of round wooden basket shaped. They will be taking us near the place where water is falling. So it's a must try for everyone. Apart from boat riding, you can also enjoy bathing in the falls.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands.
So that's it for today guys. Hope you might have enjoyed it. See you in my next video. Until then, take care.